Hello, my amazing students, and welcome back to Daily English, the place where learning English is easy, fun, and full of stories. Today, we're going to talk about something very special. It's about love, kindness, and one of the most important people in our lives, our mothers. Yes, today's lesson is about the heartwarming history of Mother's Day.
That's right. Many people know about the flowers, the chocolates, and the cards, but not everyone knows the real story behind Mother's Day. It's actually very touching and inspiring.
I'm curious, Emma, do you know why we celebrate Mother's Day?
Of course, Alex. Let's take our students back in time and discover the beautiful history together.
The story begins in the 1800s with a woman named Anne Reeves Jarvis. She lived in West Virginia in the United States.
Anne Reeves Jarvis was a strong, caring, and generous woman. She had many children, but sadly, in those times, child sickness was very common. Medicine was not advanced, and many mothers lost their children at a young age.
That must have been very painful for families.
Yes, it was heartbreaking. But Anne Reeves Jarvis didn't just focus on her own pain. She decided to help others. She organized groups of women called Mother's Day work clubs. These clubs taught mothers how to care for their children, cook healthy food, and keep homes clean to prevent disease.
So she was not only a mother to her own children, but also like a mother to the whole community.
Exactly. She believed that mothers had a special power to heal society.
When Anne Reeves Jarvis passed away in 1905, her daughter Anna Jarvis was heartbroken. She loved her mother deeply and wanted to honor her memory.
Anna remembered all the sacrifices her mother had made, not only for her family, but also for the whole community. She wanted to create something that would keep her mother's spirit alive.
And that's when she made a promise, right?
Yes, Anna promised herself, I will honor my mother and all mothers for their endless love and sacrifices.
That's such a beautiful promise. But how did she plan to honor them?
She came up with a very simple but powerful idea. She wanted to create a special day just for mothers, a day when children and families could stop, reflect, and say thank you to their mothers.
So how did she start? Did people support her?
In 1908, Anna Jarvis organized the very first official Mother's Day celebration at a church in West Virginia. Hundreds of people came to honor their mothers.
That must have been a beautiful event.
It really was. People sang songs, listened to speeches, and prayed. Anna chose the carnation as the symbol of Mother's Day because it was her mother's favorite flower.
I've heard that carnations have special meanings on Mother's Day.
Yes, white carnations were used to honor mothers who had passed away, and red carnations were used to celebrate mothers who were still alive. This tradition started with Anna and still continues in many places today.
That's amazing. So even a simple flower carried a big message of love and respect. After that first celebration, what happened next?
Anna didn't stop there. She worked very hard to spread the idea of Mother's Day across the country. She wrote letters to churches, leaders, and politicians, asking them to support her idea.
And did it work?
Yes, many people loved the idea. Within just a few years, Mother's Day was being celebrated in many different states. Finally, in 1914, President Woodrow Wilson made it official. He declared the second Sunday in May as Mother's Day.
So thanks to Anna Jarvis, Mother's Day became a national holiday in the United States?
Exactly. And from there, the tradition spread to other countries all over the world.
But I heard something surprising about Anna Jarvis. Didn't she later regret creating Mother's Day?
Yes, that's true. At first, Anna was very happy, but later she became upset.
Why?
Because she felt that Mother's Day had become too commercial. Companies were making money by selling cards, chocolates, and expensive gifts. She wanted the day to be about love and gratitude, not business.
Oh, I understand now. She wanted people to write their own letters, say their own words, and spend real time with their mothers.
Exactly. She believed that a homemade card, a handwritten note, or a simple thank you was far more meaningful than buying something from a store.
That's a lesson we can all remember today.
So, Alex, what do you think students should learn from this story?
First, we should learn gratitude. Gratitude means being thankful. Our mothers give us life, love, and care. Saying thank you is powerful.
Second, we should remember that traditions have meaning. A holiday is not only about what we buy, but about why we celebrate.
And third, one person, like Anna Jarvis, can make a big difference in the world. Her love for her mother created a tradition that millions of people follow today.
Let's go over some useful English words from today's story. 1. Promise. A strong decision to do something. Example, I made a promise to help my friend. 2. Celebrate. To enjoy or honor something special. Example, we celebrate birthdays with cake. 3. Tradition. A custom that people follow for many years. Example, giving gifts at Christmas is a tradition. 4. Gratitude. Thankfulness. Example, she showed gratitude by writing a letter. 5. Sacrifice. When someone gives up something important to help another. Example, parents make sacrifices for their children. 6. Community. A group of people who live or work together. Example, our community built a new school. 7. Inspire. To make someone feel they want to do something. Example, her kindness inspired me to help others.
Students, repeat after us. Practicing out loud will help you improve your pronunciation. Emma, what do you usually do on Mother's Day?
I usually cook my mom her favorite meal and write her a personal letter. What about you, Alex?
I like to take my mom for a walk in the park. We talk, laugh, and spend time together.
That's wonderful. And students, what about you? Think about how you celebrate or how you would like to celebrate. Remember, sometimes the best gift is not expensive. The best gift is time and love.
Let's take a moment to reflect. Think about your own mother or someone who has cared for you like a mother. How do you show gratitude? Do you say thank you? Do you help them with chores? Do you spend time with them?
You can even practice your English while showing love. For example, you can say, Mom, thank you for always being there for me. I love you, Mom. You inspire me every day.
Try saying these sentences in English to your mother. She will feel happy and proud, and you will improve your speaking skills at the same time.
So today, we learned the touching story of Anna Jarvis, the woman who gave the world Mother's Day.
And we learned some new English words: promise, celebrate, tradition, gratitude, sacrifice, community, inspire.
Remember, the real meaning of Mother's Day is not about how much money you spend. It's about how much love you give.
Here's your daily English challenge. Write 3 sentences using today's new words, and then tell your mother or someone you love, thank you.
Thank you, students, for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this lesson.
See you tomorrow on Daily English. And remember, every day is a good day to say, I love you, Mom.